Hello everybody, this is Rolls of Winterbrose. In this pulse mode blending segment, we're going to talk about selecting and deleting items within the Blender viewport. You can see here we're running Blender version 2.83.4. So once we click off on the side, that pop-up menu goes away. And you see already we have the default cube within Blender. And we want to delete it because we're going to work on something else. Now you may want to work on this cube, that's up to you. But right now we're just going to show you how to select and delete. So we're going to click off in the side so that the item is unselected. So basically in Blender, to select something, if you use the default settings, which we highly recommend it, you would just point at the item inside Blender and you'll see it got selected and it's got this orange highlight around it. And you can also see it over here in the scene collection that is highlighted. So to delete it, you can do a couple things. You can use the delete key on your keyboard just by pressing it. It goes away. But we're going to go ahead and undo that really quick. Or you can right click on the item and go down here and click on delete at the bottom. Or if you notice, there's a little underscore on this E under delete. So once you're in this menu, you can actually hit the E key, which we're going to do instead of clicking on this. And it also deletes the item. So we brought the cube back and we've added a couple of items in here into the Blender viewport so that we can just show you. So like I said, you left click on them and you can select them. And then of course as you have them selected, you can delete them in different ways. We're going to use the delete key. We can select them, then delete them, just as simple as that. We hope you've enjoyed this video presentation on selecting and deleting and using pulse mode blending techniques. Have a great day.